And Erie County is also dealing with another health crisis right now, the opioid epidemic. 2020 saw a big spike in overdose deaths here. And as 7 Eyewitness News reporter Hannah Bueller shows us tonight, the county is now working on a new tool to help it in this battle against addiction.
It's no secret that isolations, loss of jobs, and the pandemic are having an extreme impact on the opiate crisis in Western New York. This interactive map puts into perspective the reality of the opiate epidemic alongside the COVID-19 pandemic.
So we're really using the data we get from that to reach out to people.
Cheryl Moore, along with other members of the Erie County Opiate Task Force, have worked for years to get resources to people struggling with addiction.
No, I don't expect these numbers. They went very, very high.
The map shows for 2020, no area in Erie County was immune to overdoses and deaths. Some of the most impacted communities include areas of the city. Buffalo's 14207 zip code of Riverside with 85 overdoses, 20 of them fatal. 14150, which includes Tonawanda, with 72 overdoses, 12 of them fatal. Even the suburbs like Hamburg with 41 overdoses, 9 of them fatal.
People's recovery plans have to do with routine. They have to do with social settings. They have to do with counseling and access to treatment programs. And unfortunately, a lot of that was curtailed during the pandemic.
This map from the Erie County Medical Examiner's Office shows in 2019, just when deaths had reached their lowest rate since 2015, they surged once again in 2020 to 209 with 38 cases pending. The map shows that while 52% of the opiate deaths for 2020 were in parts of the city of Buffalo, 37 of those deaths, 77, were in the suburbs, including Amherst, Cheektowaga, Hamburg, Lancaster, Orchard Park, and others.
Looking at the overdose numbers, when I look back historically, the numbers themselves didn't go higher, the lethality went higher.
And a new trend in 2020 has experts looking on, a 50% increase in opiate-related deaths with the use of fentanyl and cocaine.
This is a population that'll tell you I'm not an opioid user, so they don't have Narcan. We got to get new messaging out there.
Hannah's live with us tonight. Now, this map also is offering resources to people, the actual people who are struggling with drug abuse right now.
Yeah, Keith, and there are so many people who need Narcan, and that is what the county is trying to do. They're trying to get Narcan in people's hands. So the map that we told you about in the story provides specific locations throughout Erie County where people can get free Narcan throughout the county. They're in little boxes at specific locations on that map. The boxes include Narcan, which is free, and also literature on where to get help. We have a link for you on all of this at WKBW.com. Keith?